we did for you, if you did for us, we did for you. That's what they're talking about this year. So it is important that we make use of all this information, make use of all these helplines and links to save and protect our cyberspace. Protect your own earnings. Protect your own valuables. It is very, very key. So, gentlemen of the press, we're going to take questions there. Then we're going to parade some of the suspects we have here today. Francis from Plateau State. Two of them here. On Tuesday, 4 June 2024, at about 12:49 p.m., the center received a petition from one Malam stating that he was contacted on his WhatsApp by one of his old-time friends and business associate requesting him to send some amount of money. This is a common thing for those who have experienced this before. He then went ahead to do so without calling for confirmation. So this is a lesson to all of us that when somebody on WhatsApp is requesting for money, possibly that WhatsApp line has been hacked. Call for confirmation. Don't just send money as requested. But after he had sent a sum of 24 million naira in tranches, and more demands to send more money were coming, he then called his friend to confirm why such demands were made. But his calls were not answered until the second day, being 5th June 2024. It was then he got to know that the WhatsApp of his friend had been hacked. Upon receipt of the petition, the center began investigation, which led to the arrest of these suspects, the three of them. The suspects, upon their arrest, have confessed to their roles in perpetrating the crime, and efforts are ongoing to recover the money fraudulently obtained. These are the people. They hacked into somebody's WhatsApp. You know this is common. Somebody will just send message to WhatsApp that please I'm stranded, send money to me. Please always confirm from the person making that request to be sure if it's actually the one in need and the one making that request. Elements like this might be at work. Hackers. They hack your platform, they hack your account online, they hack your WhatsApp to be making demands. You can see they got very huge amount of money, 24 million naira in tranches. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know the number of times they now send the money. But the total amount is 24 million naira. Lucky Adesoloye. This Lucky. How old are you? Edo. Your state of origin? Akoko, Edo. Is Tana here? Tana?
I wasn't. It was a message they sent me.
Okay, they sent you a message to do it.
No.
Who hacked the account? Who has the WhatsApp?
I wasn't the one.
What's your own role?
My own role is I was sent. They sent a card for me to give to somebody.
A card?
A card.
Card?
Yes. Which is an account, which is bank account, to send it to somebody. And I sent it. The person I sent it to is a friend to me. I know him, but I never knew it. As for him, he said, "You be buy account online." That is what he said to me. I know him physically. So when he called me that he has a customer. So
Go ahead.
He called me that he has a customer that needed account, that wants to send accounts to him, that is around where I stay, which is Lagos, where I'm doing my family work. Then that just happens to be this and the other Oko-Jumbo. So then I collected, I said, okay. He said the place they stay is far from the park, that if they ask him to go to the park, before he get there, we say there's no bus again, the first bus and the second bus are still there. And I said, okay, no problem. The first day asked him to come to me, I was at work that day. I said, I can't make it. And decided to go to state the next day. Then they sent them to me the next day, and I collected their tickets to the park and sent them to him. So when I sent them to him, that is, he said, according to him, if it was card account of mine, he used to sell them to people. Those people were called as
you are involved in the business. Okay, forget about the story you are telling us. We are not investigators, we are media men. I've been a doctor or Peter. We are media men. Your friend, this Woody, for how long?
How long have I been? You have been in this business of buying account, sharing, getting your share.
So I don't know about buying account and this thing because.
What do you know about?
What brought you here?
What do you know about now?
Okay, I did not even know that they had account, they had WhatsApp or anything.
What brought you to this one? Is this your father's house?
No, sir.
This is a police formation. So why were you arrested? Tell us.
Why are you here? Let's know now.
They tracked me. Then they said that when they bring me come here, they say I had WhatsApp, but I don't even know how to have WhatsApp or anything.
Okay, that's all right. I want back. T, are you married?
Yes, sir.
How many wives?
One,
How many children do you have?
5.
La? 5. Where are you from? Which town? Which state?
I'm from Delta.
Delta State.
Yes, sir.
Where in Delta?
Urobo.
Urobo. Your town? Efru in Delta. Are you a graduate?
No,
What do you study in school?
I'm not a graduate.
You are not a graduate at all. This email compromise, computer-related fraud, and money laundering. The syndicate led by one the Prince Samuel Mill specializes in compromising business emails to defraud companies and divert funds to personal use, targeting prominent companies globally to perpetrate their crimes. During interrogation, the suspect confessed to customers' email addresses and passwords, compromising business conversations, and diverting funds to their syndicates. Thousands of compromised email credentials and login details were recovered from his Skype account. The suspect further disclosed that the syndicate operates internationally with members located across the globe. Communication and transactions among the members are conducted exclusively through Skype, making their operations highly elusive. Efforts are currently in top gear to track and apprehend the head of the syndicate and other members